The Metabody is an interactive installation that allows users to experience a virtual body and interact with the digital world. It offers users an immersive experience to explore the boundaries between the real and virtual worlds. First, you can experience a body transfer illusion through an instant connection with the virtual body. The second goes one step further here. The virtual body allows you to interact with the virtuables physically. The third is a surreal experience. Your virtual body has two more heads, and it is not simply an object attached, but the two heads have their own bones, so the viewer has a transcendental experience that has never been experienced in reality. By connecting to the virtual body, users experience a sense of embodiment that blurs the distinction between their own body and the digital one. But at the same time, they also become aware of the limits of their perception and that their sense of self is not fixed or limited to their physical body. Technology is not just a tool or medium. It shapes our perception and understanding of the world. The Metabody project invites us to reflect on how we can use technology to expand our sense of self.